Hello students, in this video I am going to talk about how to balance the redox reactions in both acidic and basic medium. I'll just read out the rules once. The step 1 says that you have to divide the equation into two half reactions depending upon one the reduction reaction and the other oxidation reaction. The step 2 would be you have to balance the atoms in each half of the reactions as per the following rules. The first is you have to balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. If the reaction is in the acidic or the neutral medium, the rules will remain the same. The oxygen atoms are balanced by adding the molecules of water to the side deficient in oxygen atom, while the hydrogen atom, almost double the hydrogen atoms are added to the side deficient in hydrogen atoms. Now, if the reaction is occurring in the alkaline medium, every excess of oxygen atom is balanced by adding one water molecule or the deficient number of water molecule to the same side and double the OH minus to the other side. Now, if hydrogen is still left unbalanced, you can add OH minus for every excess of H plus on the same side and water on the other. I know it is getting a little confusing, but as and when we will start practicing the questions, this will become very clear. Step 3 would be to balance the charges. You can add electrons on whichever side it is necessary. Step 4, multiply the two half reactions by the suitable integers to cancel out the electrons gained and lost in the two half reactions. And step 5, you have to add both the balanced half reactions and cancel any term which is common in both. Now I have taken the first example wherein I am going to balance this equation in the basic medium. Now before I start doing it, I have to identify which is going on oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. So if I look into this compound, this is if I have to calculate the oxidation number of manganese, it becomes x plus 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 1, x minus 8 equal to minus 1, x turns out to be plus 7. So manganese here is plus 7. And here it is x plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0, which turns out to be x equal to plus 4. So manganese here is plus 4. Now at the same time, iodine here is minus 1 and here iodine is in the standard state, so it is 0. So now I can say that manganese is undergoing reduction since it is changing from plus 7 to plus 4. That means 3 electrons have been added, and iodine is undergoing oxidation since it has lost 1 electron and become neutral. So now what I'll do is I'll separate the two reactions. I will start writing one for the reduction. What is happening in reduction? In reduction, MnO4 minus is converting into MnO2, and under the oxidation half reaction, it is converting into I minus to I2. This is half electron or half equation method. There is one more method, oxidation number method, that I will talk about in a separate video. Now, as per my rule, I have divided them into the two half reactions. Now I have to balance the atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. So here manganese is 1, here also it is 1, oxygens are balanced, so I don't need to do anything in this step. Same here, nothing to be done in oxidation. The next step is if the reaction is in the acidic or the neutral medium and the other is for alkaline. Since I am doing it for the basic medium, the rules that I'll follow is from here. If in the alkaline medium, every excess of oxygen atom is balanced by adding the number of water molecules to the same side. I'll mention adding water molecule to the same side. Now I have to see here in this question, which is having excess of oxygen. This is having excess of oxygen. So every excess of oxygen, how much is excess here? It is 4 here and it is 2 here. So it is balanced by adding water molecule to the same side. This is in excess, so I am adding water molecules on this side only. How much is it in excess? It is 2. So I will write MnO4 minus plus 2 water. I'm sorry. And now I will add double the OH minus to the other side. So if I have added 2 water molecules here, I will add double the OH minus on the other side. Now I can quickly just count 1 manganese, 4 oxygens here and 2 here, 6. Here also it is 6. Hydrogens here are 4 and here are 4 also. So this step is balanced. I do not go further into if hydrogen is still unbalanced. It is balanced in this case. And here, since I do not have any oxygen here, so this step also remains same for oxidation half reaction in this question. Now, since I have balanced the hydrogen and oxygen atoms as per the medium, the next step is to balance the charges. Now this is important because to balance the charges, what can I do? I can only add electrons. So if I take the total from here, on left hand side it is 1 minus and on the right hand side it is 4 minus. So what is the difference? The difference is of 3. So what will I do is MnO4 minus plus 2 water plus 3 electron. Now this 3 negative and 1 negative will become 4 negative. You can also verify that you are adding electrons on the left hand side when it is reduction. So it will make sense now. So now this becomes MnO2 plus 4OH minus. Here if I have to balance, here it is 1 minus and here it is 0. So I have to make both of them same. So what I'll do is, oh sorry, I have missed one important step, that it has to be balanced both the number of atoms also. So now it is 2 iodine and it is 2 iodine also. So now it is 2 negative and here it is 0. So now I will have to make it iodine plus 2 electrons. So now it is 2 electrons on this side also and 2 negative here also. Now you can also verify that the 2 electrons have been added on the right hand side when it was an oxidation reaction. Now what is the next step? I will write both the reactions together. So I'm sorry, this becomes MnO4 minus plus 2 water plus 3 electron. I'm sorry, the pen is giving me a little trouble. Plus 3 electrons will give me MnO2 plus 4 OH minus, and the other equation is this. Now what I'm going to do is, I will do it like we have done it in maths, linear equations in 2 variables. I have to make the number of electrons same in both the equations so that they can be cancelled out. In one equation the number of electrons are on the left hand side and in the other they are on the right hand side. So if I multiply this by 2 and I multiplied this by 3, this also will be 6 electrons and this will also be 6 electrons. So the equations will balance themselves. So now, just a minute. So now this equation is going to be 2 MnO4 minus plus 4 water plus 6 electron gives me 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. This becomes 6I minus gives 3I2 plus 6 electrons. Now if you add both of them, these two gets cancelled because they are on the opposite sides. So what is the final balanced equation that I get? It is this. And now you can verify if each of the element is balanced on both the sides. I have 2 manganese here, 2 manganese here. What is the total number of oxygens on the left hand side? It is 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12. Here also 2 2s are 4 plus 8 12. Hydrogens here are 4 2s are 8, here are 8. 6 iodines and 6 iodines. Let's take one more example wherein we will balance the given equation in the acidic medium. So again we'll first identify who is going oxidation here. So here it is manganese, x plus 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 1, x minus 8 equal to minus 1, x becomes plus 7. So manganese here is plus 7, here it is plus 2. So it is definitely undergoing reduction. Now here iron is 2 plus and here it is 3 plus. So definitely it is undergoing oxidation. So what will be my next step? I will separate the two half reactions. This is going to be my reduction reaction and this is going to be my oxidation reaction. So under reduction it is MnO4 minus giving out Mn2 plus and here it is going to be Fe2 plus giving out Fe3 plus. Now again the first step is to balance the two atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. Manganese here is balanced and iron is also balanced here. Now if the reaction is in the acidic medium and we are doing it for the acidic medium, oxygen atoms are balanced by adding the molecules of water to the side deficient in oxygen. Which side is deficient in oxygen this time? it is this side. How much is it deficient? It is deficient by 4 oxygens. So I will add, what I have to add? I have to add, are balanced by adding the molecules of water to the side deficient. So I'll add 4 waters here only. While the hydrogen atoms, double the hydrogen atoms are added to the side deficient in hydrogen atom. So now there are 8 hydrogens here. So I added 4 molecules here, so I will add double the number of hydrogens here since it is the acidic medium. Now let's cross check. 4 2s are 8 and 8 is here. 4 oxygens and 4 oxygens. Now here there is no oxygen or hydrogen, so I cannot balance. Now let's balance the charges. If I'm talking about the charges, here the total is plus 7 and here the total is 2 plus. So what I can do is I can add 5 electrons here, and again you can verify that the electrons are being added on the left hand side while you are doing the reduction. Here it is 2 plus and here it is 3 plus. So what I'll do is I'll add 1 electron here. So now I have my 2 half reactions ready. It is 8H plus plus MnO4 minus plus 5 electrons give out Mn2 plus plus 4 water, and here it is Fe2 plus giving Fe3 plus plus 1 electron. So again, to make it a linear equation in 2 variables, I will multiply it by 5 and this would be remaining 1. So let me change it here only. So this will become like this. So now if you add 5 electrons would be cancelled out. What is left? It is 8H plus plus MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus gives out Mn2 plus plus 4 water plus 5 Fe3 plus. Now again 8 hydrogens are here on the left hand side, 8 hydrogens are here, 4 oxygen, 1 manganese and 5. And again if you want to balance, see the balance charges, it is 8 plus 1 minus plus 5 2s are 10. So it turns out to be 10 plus 18 minus 1, 17 on the left hand side. And if I say 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 on the right hand side. So the equations are balanced. Now if you apply these rules to any of the equation that is given to you in the exam, the answer would definitely be correct.